Hi guys, it's time for another Take a Look Tuesday, which is a chance to invite you into my studio. I was going to say my studio, but I'm actually in my kitchen to start with. I will turn the camera around and show you what I'm up to. So, yeah, these are the Papermache balls that are going to be seeds in my art installation. I have many more of these, but these are the ones that needed either starting again or fixing in some way. You can see one over here that's got spots still on it, so this one just needed a touch up. So the rest of these are all going to get spots. They've just had one coat of paint so far. It's all fluorescent paint. I'm using System 3 for those who are interested in these sorts of things. Yeah, fluorescent paint because it's going to be going in the tent part, the tent pod of my art installation with UV light. So they glow in the dark. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing in here. I brought them into the kitchen just for space, really. I'll take you down the garden to my studio as well. Finally getting a bit of spring. Look, spring flowers. Put a smile on my face. So down here I'm doing other things, working towards the exhibition that's actually, I think 2 weeks today I will be installing it in London, which is a slightly scary thought. But I think I'm on track. I've just got still quite a bit to do. So you can see these are all hanging up, sort of trying to get their shape back from having been stored in the loft. Down here I've got various balls that I'm fixing or adding to my sewing machine as I'm adding the spots. These are covers for the big yoga balls, so I've got some fluffy ones. Again, these are all glow in the dark fluorescent colours. These are really fun. I've got 4 upstairs, and these are the last 3 for me to finish. I've shown you up here my board of inspiration, which I'm working over here. I've got panels ready for work that I'm going to be doing as part of CVP with Nicholas Wilton. I'm doing like the 12-week boot camp with him and loving it, absolutely loving it. Trying to fit that in amongst getting ready for the show in London. So down here you can see concrete feet that I created. That I've got some cardboard surrounds. That is for the bottom of the tent to weight it down because it gets expanded and stretched to the corners of the room. It needs something to weight it down so you can actually get inside. These are seeds that hanging seeds that I've been like using a soldering iron to just add extra detail. And these end up sort of squashed like that with a seed inside, if you can imagine. They're basically a version, I think round here it is. I've got a one of the seeds that it was inspired by, which I've painted. But yeah, that sort of idea. Behind here is a giant conker seed which has spikes that I need to attach. It's covered in a bin bag to protect it from all the mess in here. I think that's sort of, there's quite a lot of stuff going on here at the moment. So that's my chaos and my creativity and my fun right now. I don't feel majorly stressed, just got a lot going on, and I like to have a lot going on. It's fine. I love a project, and it's a great opportunity to show in London, to go and show what I did for my MA in a different space to a different audience, a larger audience probably. Yeah, and with people within the art field, to get amongst them and just to sort of hear what they think. It's part of an exhibition called Awe and Wonder by Chaiya Art Awards, and there's like over 100 artists that have been selected, shortlisted for it. So it'd be really interesting to see how other artists have responded to that title, really, in all the different mediums and things. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that, but I'm also really enjoying throwing myself into this creative visionary programme painting course and learning about value and design, and colours coming in a few weeks, which of course I will be lapping up everything about that, and texture, and yeah, just all sorts of different things. Taking risk is particularly an important one, you know, to keep yourself playing and experimenting and stretching yourself. And so anyway, learning lots, which I love. So yeah, let me know what you're up to this week and ask any questions if you have any. Otherwise, see you again soon. Bye then.